Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Phantom Wallet with Jupiter Exchange. So in order to do it, you first need to open your web browser where you will have the Phantom Wallet extension. If you don't want to use your web browser or your PC, you can even follow the same steps in your mobile device with Phantom Wallet mobile application. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to demonstrate the steps in my web browser. So here, this is your Phantom Wallet extension. So in order to use it with Jupiter Exchange, you simply need to click on this browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now here you will be able to see various types of options and trending websites. Now in the trending websites, you will be able to see the first option of Jupiter. So in case you are not viewing it in this list, you can even click on the see more option in order to view the complete list, and you will be able to see Jupiter in this list. So you need to simply click on it and it will redirect you on Jupiter Exchange, where you just have to simply connect your Phantom wallet with it first. So in order to connect the wallet, you can either click on this connect wallet option, or you can even click over here for the connect wallet. So you need to simply click on connect wallet and select your Phantom wallet. Now it will show you the option that will look something like this. So you need to simply click on the connect option again and wait for some time until it shows you your Phantom wallet address. That will look something like this in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, you will be able to see the swap option, limit option, DC option. So you just have to simply select that particular tab for which you want to basically use Jupiter Exchange. Now let's say you want to swap your Solana with any other meme coins. So you just have to simply click on the option that is from, and here you just have to select your Solana. Here in this section, it will also show you the balance of your Solana that you have, and you can even use these tabs like half and maximum in order to select the amount from your Solana. Now in the you buying option, you just have to simply click on it, and by default here you will be able to see a bunch of different coins that you can purchase on Solana chain. So you just have to simply select any of the coins of your choice and enter the amount of Solana over here, and then it will show you the equivalent amount of the coin that you want to purchase. Now you simply need to click on the swap option and you need to just approve the transaction and wait for some time until your transaction is completed. Once the transaction is completed, you will be able to easily swap the tokens at Jupiter Exchange. So this way you will be able to start using your Phantom wallet with Jupiter Exchange. So this was very easy in my opinion, but still if you have any doubts, you can do let me know in the comments. And if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.